What's poppin', my goons? We back. Oh yeah, right back to that credit game for the goons. You know who? Spontaneous Productions Part 2. You know me, Credit Gang, homie. Hey, y'all goons about to blast off with this one. Baddie alert. Okay, look at them lips. Wonder what she could do with them lips, baby. Baddie alert. She gonna want some earrings about you though. Hey yo, what happened, my goon? But yo, here's what happened. We back with more credit game for the goons. Yo, do me one solid though before we blast off. Smash on the like and subscribe button right now, cause we about to get busy. You heard? You about to get laced. All up on your neck, straight like that. I'm coming for your neck. Y'all goons gonna love this one straight like that. We got a crazy one for you goons to blast off to. Ooh-wee. It's some baddies on this page. Oh, man. Y'all goons gonna get your credit, right? And y'all gonna be buying baddies straight like that. So, yo, y'all gonna be buying jewelry for baddies on this site. This is where you're gonna get a $15,000 trade line straight like that. Yes. $15,000 trade line on this site. Y'all goons gonna get iced out. Some chains, big chains on your neck swinging. Man, you get big stones, you heard? Big bling, you heard? Big boy tings, you heard? Hey yo, client testimonials. Wow, over the course of 6 months, my consistent payments were reported to the credit bureaus, and I saw my score increase 50 points. Not only do I have a gorgeous necklace that I love, but I am also building a better financial future. It's been a win-win experience for me. Okay, straight like that. So yo, y'all gonna pull up to the site and get a $15,000 trade line. This is like the brand new My Jewelers Club, all right? This site is called Shop IFJ Online. All right, Shop IFJ Online, my goons. That is the site, and this is a jewelry site. And you get a $15,000 trade line. All right, straight like that. How does it work? Let's see. Let's pull up and find out how it works. I'm giving you goons gems like no other. You know the vibes. Mash that like, subscribe button right now. You heard? Cut this thing off right now. Mash that button, you heard? Come on. And so, yo, here's how it works at shopifjonline.com. Just add the cart, what you want to get, okay? You review your cart, and once you review your cart, make sure everything looks good, all right? Then you do the credit application, all right, my goons? You can do the credit application, and pretty much anyone can get approved. As long as you don't got no drama all over your credit, you should be able to get approved. Okay, approval amount. This is going to give you $15,000, all right? You'll receive an approval amount instantly. Once approved, you'll be redirected to the checkout page. Then you get $15,000, all right? Then next, you pay 30% deposit. So all you got to pay is 30%, whatever the price is, and then you're just going to make monthly payments on that. That's how this page works, all right? Then step 6, confirmation. Once your order is placed, our team members will reach out to you. They'll call you with a phone number from the 281 area code, all right? Wherever 281 is at, I believe that's in Texas. Shout out to all my Texas goons worldwide, you heard? See, Spring, Texas, straight like that. They got a phone number, you can call them. They got an email, all that. So now they do report to all 3 credit bureaus, okay? Straight like that. And what they got is silver, and they got masonite, okay? A lot of rings, a lot of chains, okay? You know, some fire pieces, okay? Forever moissanite silver rings, okay? $240 down payment, you know, $47 a month for 12 months. Now see, it's $240, so you just gotta pay for this ring 30% down, all right? 30% down of whatever $240, you know, 30% down of that, and then you'll just make, you know, your monthly payments until it's paid off. That's how it works, straight like that. You know, so they got, you know, some fire rings. You know, goons can get iced out, and you're really just doing this for the trade line. You're not doing it for the jewelry. You know, it's moissanite. For those who don't know, it's, you know, fake gems. Moissanite is lab-made diamonds, all right? These are the lab-made diamonds that bling extra hard, okay? These are not blood diamonds, all right? Now, I got real diamonds. I got real blood diamonds, and they bling like real diamonds. They shine, but they don't overly shine. You know what I'm saying? They bling, like when the light hit them right, they look good. But these are them joints where, like, when the light hit it, it overly blings. Like, damn, that shit is overly blinged out. Okay, you get blinded by the ice, you heard? Blinded by the ice, where motherfuckers want to come cut your throat and take your life. And they come to find out it was moissanite, alright? Why they do that? I don't know. A lot of goons is thirsty out here. They crazy. Straight like that. So, basically, it's just gold-plated. It's really silver and it's gold plated, and the diamonds are moissanite. Okay, so the moissanite stones, they shine harder than real diamonds. All right, for those who don't know about moissanite, so you get like 4 times more shine than real diamonds. Okay, so whenever you see a goon who's crazy iced out and the bling is just overwhelming, chances are it's moissanite. All right, so it's lab made diamonds, and so basically fake diamonds. But that's what you're getting over here. All right, at shop IFJ online, that is the site. So $15,000 trade line. So what you can do is just go to the home page, and I'll show you guys what's going on. Home page, and do the credit application. And pretty much it's easy to get approved. Just want to go see. Let's go here with elegance of moissanite and credit. Let's see what's up with moissanite and credit. Hit the blog if you want to learn more about it. Just scroll down. They got some white ladies. Why they all white though? I'm a little bit offended by that. Straight like that. Okay, maybe some little Indian persuasion. Okay, but Punjab baddie. And straight like that. Punjabi Indian lady. So elegance of moissanite. Exceptional brilliance. Moissanite has a higher refractive index rate, 2.65 more than diamonds. Okay, meaning it sparkles even more intensely. Its fire and brilliance make it breathtaking alternative to real diamonds. See, as you can see, like I said, it shines way harder. It shines, 2.65 more than real diamonds, all right? But I prefer blood diamonds, straight like that. I'm old school. I like my blood diamonds. I don't like my real golds, straight like that. That's how we do it. You heard? Real gems, real stones, because we real goons over here. You heard? Hey, yo, durability though. So this moissanite has a hardness rating of 9.25 on the scale. Moissanite is second only to diamonds. Diamonds number 1, of course, making it incredibly resistant to scratches and ideal for daily wear. Affordability: moissanite costs a fraction of a diamond's price, allowing you to choose larger or more intricate designs without exceeding your budget. Ethical sourcing: most moissanite is lab created. Fake diamonds, lab made, man made, not blood diamonds. No shorties in Africa had to get their arms cut off to get your diamond piece. Alright, like they did on mine. Sorry for the shorty who had to lose their arms for me to get my diamond cross. I'm sorry. But it makes it an eco-friendly, conflict-free choice, appealing to modern and socially conscious. Ooh, that's you. Socially conscious buyers, okay? Building credit with a 15K revolving line, straight like that. So that's what y'all goons came for, 15K revolving line. They say reports to all 3 credit bureaus, okay? Straight like that. Payment history, conveniently paying off balances builds a strong payment history, the most significant factor in determining your credit score. Okay, credit diversification. You spend a small portion of the 15K limit, i.e. $2,000 for a stunning moissanite piece, your credit utilization ratio will remain low, positively impacting your credit score. That's facts. So you don't have to spend $2,000. Like I said, you saw you can get shipped for $240. All right, it's like $30 shipping too, by the way. So like $270 is like the lowest you really gonna spend. But shit like that. You can get this jewelry for a low price. It's been about like $300, $270. Pretty much. So it's not bad. You get $15,000 trade line. All right, so that's not bad. That is not bad at all. $15,000 trade line. All right, and let's see, establishing credit, building credit blog. So you're guys want to check it out. This is like the new version of My Jewelers Club. My Jewelers Club is dead, but that was one of the greatest trade lines of all time. Goons went crazy with that. I had an old video about My Jewelers Club on my first channel, and that was the first trade line I ever got. It was a $5,000 credit line jewelry company. You can spend $200 and you get $5,000 trade line, and hit reported to all 3 credit bureaus. So building credit with a $15,000 line through jewelry purchases. So you get 15 racks over here, all right? So I'm giving you guys some sauce right here. $15,000 trade line, revolving credit. All right, 15 racks, and everyone can get approved. All right. So long-term strategy, blah blah blah. We already know, but a $15,000 trade line on your file is gonna look good, because if you got a $15,000 trade line on your file, when you do apply for credit cards, they're gonna see that you have comparable credit. They're gonna offer you comparable credit. So when you have $15,000 credit lines, you'll get approved for credit cards, and they'll give you $15,000 limits. Okay. I'm just giving you goons the sauce, the game. That's how you do it. You want to add big trade lines, and this is a big trade line you might want to add. You know, this is a good trade line. 15,000 reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Here's cautions: avoid overspending. Of course, don't be a goofy ass going and overspend. You're just only getting this just to build credit. Forget the ICE. The ICE is whack. It's not important about the ICE. It's about just building credit with a $15,000 trade line. Straight like that. That's the reason why we're going here. These goons are getting $15,000 trade line. Okay? Shop ifjonline.com. Okay? Please go to the top, hit the credit application. Well, actually, you'll get the credit application when you go to checkout. All right? So you put a piece in your cart, and then just go to checkout. Boom. And then they give you the credit. They give you this credit application. You got to fill out all the information. Boom, 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 blah, blah, blah. You got to read all the stuff. And that's pretty much, what's going on. Straight like that. So, it's another trade line you goons can blast off with. Go ahead and get you some jewelry. Sort by prices, low to high. And there it is, like that, straight like that. So pull up, shop IFJ online, my goons, $15,000 trade line. So yo, found the value in this video? You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with the crazy powerful credit game for the goons. You know who? The one and only Spontaneous Productions Part 2. And if you want gems, games, sauce, methods, how to do credit sweeps, how to build a fire profile, how to clean any credit profile in 7 days, get a crazy high credit score, and get rid of all that negative information. It doesn't matter how much you got. It can be 30 different credit cards. It can be hard inquiries. It can be any bankruptcy. It can be child support. It can be charge-offs. It can be late payment. It could be collections. You can get all that off in 7 days with my fire secret sauce. $500. I'll teach you how to credit sweep any profile step by step, any credit profile. $500. And I can even teach you where to get authorized user trade lines for $25. All right, $25 for long age, high credit line, authorized user, $50 on average. But yes, even as low as $25. This is straight real, no cap, real deal, no scam, none of that. All real sauce. That's how we do it. Spontaneous Productions, man. I plug you in $500 for the exclusive sauce, my goons. And do me one more solid before we go. Follow me on Instagram at Spontaneous Productions. Till next time, my goons. We're gonna blast off. We're giving you crazy games. So tap in, get you a $15,000 trade line. We're gonna blast off, get you $1 million in credit. All right, however much credit you want, 100,000 in credit, 200,000, it's no problem. You can get that. Give it a couple of months. All you just need is the right pieces, the right information, and you change your life. Tap in, and I'll help you get there. Straight like that. I did it before, and we're gonna do it again. Straight like that. Until next time, my goons, we out. Peace.